Welcome to Adobe Photoshop video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to start a new canvas. To do that, first you have to select File, select New, then you have to give a name for your canvas. I give example as my name for the project. Then in the preset sizes, you can select a width and a height for your canvas. For this example, I am going to select very small size. Then you can see the width in pixels. If you want, you can change the measurement. The height is also in pixel, and you can change the measurement if you want. And the most important thing is the resolution. The default resolution in Adobe Photoshop is 72 pixels per inch. It means how many pixels are created for 1 inch. Once again, the default resolution in Adobe Photoshop is 72 pixels. If you want a better quality photo, you have to increase this volume. Next, the color mode for your canvas. You have to select the color mode. The first one, bitmap. It means if you are using black and white image, you have to select bitmap. If you are looking for a pencil art or something like that, you have to select grayscale. Grayscale will allow you to create colors between white to black. If you are planning to take a printout of your design using inkjet printer, you have to select RGB color mode. If you want to take the output as a digital print from a color lab, you have to select the 4 color, which is CMYK color mode. If you are using your image in digital purposes, therefore you have to select the lab color. These are the basic color modes available in Photoshop. Depending on your purpose, you have to select the color mode. Since I am using this for digital purposes, I am going to select lab color. The final setting to start a canvas is to select your background. The default background will be white. If you want a color to start the background, you can select background color, or if you want to avoid the background, you can select the transparent, which means there is no background. These are the basic settings that you have to set before starting a new canvas. When you are ready, you have to select OK button. Press on OK. This will start your canvas.